Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to change name. So first you can go to the gallery and then you can select your file. Like example, I will use this file with the name utility6. You can change by clicking and then click this information icon. After it, you can change for the title in here. I will set into example, and if you done, you can click this check icon. So to be change the name into the example. Then back again into gallery, change example. So to change, you can click these icons, and then you can click on the title to change the name. Okay, that's it for the basic Ibis X tutorial how to change name. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.